Hello foodies! It's Mihaela from Blondelish.com and today I'm gonna show you how to make leftover turkey orzo salad. Who's got some delicious leftover turkey and the mood for a quick fresh meal? This salad will hit all the right spots.
Start by bringing a medium pot with salted water to the boil. Add the orzo and cook according to package directions. Once the pasta is ready, drain and set aside to cool. Chop all the veggies for the salad, the cherry tomatoes, olives, parsley and red onion. Add the cooked orzo, chopped veggies, sun-dried tomatoes, leftover turkey, Parmesan cheese, sliced almonds and olives. To a small jar, add all the ingredients for the dressing. Shake vigorously to emulsify. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss to combine.
That was it for today foodies! For the full recipe plus tips and tricks, just click the link below. And for weekly updates, like, share and subscribe.